old car phone. Unboxing another big box. I'm not unboxing. My wife is unboxing. Oh, let's see what's in this big box. Take that, please. Thank you. What you got? Looks like something nice. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Escalade. New eyeballs.
Oh, yeah, you gotta pull one.
These some different headlights. You ask me, you can't tell from the front till after you go ahead and side look like you got a higgy. I mean a titty. Am I supposed to say that on YouTube? I'm not too sure, but there's a nipple there on that screen, on that face. Goodness gracious. Lord have mercy. I don't know. Okay. Let me take a picture of that. Turn to the side. Look like somebody punched it and it swole up. Got punched in the eye.